What it also does are two other important things, which is it will foster referrals and it will also create brand advocates. What do we mean by this? There is an interesting statistic that we read that about 57% of users on Facebook like a charity page. 57%. Now 57% in Facebook terms is really huge, right? Over 1 billion users there, right? Why do they like? Will they like something that they are not passionate about? Will they like something that is not really saying what they or doing some good work? No, they will obviously look at something which is which they can connect with on one hand, and also it's a way of saying, hey, you know, I do some charity work, or I at least lean towards something like this. Everybody wants to talk about, right from the smallest thing that you can do of donating blood to volunteering with an organization. You want to put it up on your Facebook, right? You want to say, I volunteered here and weekend I did this, it's so cool, right? Now that will only happen if what they're talking about, if the charity that they're working with has all of these in place, right? If it's something that nobody knows, nobody's heard of, nobody is even identifying with, they are not going to be so easy to refer this. It also helps in terms of creating brand advocates, which is your own employees, for instance. People would want to talk about your organization. People, when they go out, they will talk. I've had instances where people have called and said, listen, I don't have the time, nor do I have the energy to figure out who does what, but I want to contribute, either in terms of money or possibly doing some volunteering work. What is it that I can do? Now, because I understand, I mean, forget the work that we were doing with Dream a Dream, but because I understand Dream a Dream, it was easy for me to communicate that to them. So that's what a brand advocate really does.